My name is Whitney Simpson, and I'm a fourth-year sports administration student. I think that a lot of students go through very stressful times, particularly around midterm and exam season, and not everybody knows how to accurately manage these stressors, and so some students may suffer more than others. During my third year here at Laurentian, I decided that I wanted to run for Vice President of Student Life with the SGA. So around February was election time. Meanwhile, I was also still taking a full course load. I had a lot of assignments and midterms, and I also had some issues with my family. My grandpa fell sick, so at the time it would have been great for me to have a pamphlet to know who to reach out to and make sure that I was getting the help that I need to help me get through a stressful time. Some of the items that will be in the kit include a stress ball, which can help students get rid of some of that muscle tension and just have a release for some of their stressors. It'll include some sour gum, which helps with stress and it can help lower anxiety. There'll also be pamphlets to some of the services that are available on campus, and there'll also be a little bit of something for everyone, so we're going to be sure that we're inclusive of our entire student body. These stress kits are a way to invite these students into talking about the issues and the stress that they may be feeling, and kind of break down that stigma that surrounds mental illness and mental health in general. So this will be a way to ensure that everybody is successful.